How did you find Custom Pool Pros?
I found Custom Pool Pros through an internet search, and he truly is a custom pool builder. We interviewed 6 companies, and Tom was the only pool contractor willing to take on this truly custom designed pool, which was modeled after something we found in Italy when we were there the summer before he started construction.
What was your deciding factor for choosing Custom Pool Pros?
Tom was the only contractor willing to hire an architect and see whether or not the town of Marlborough would actually permit this pool.
How are you enjoying your pool?
The pool is great, and the thing about Tom is that he becomes like family, and he is always there to answer a question. It takes there is a slight learning curve for people to learn how to maintain their pool properly, and he is always there to give us guidance and try to help us figure out what we should do, or teach us what needs to be done.
How was your experience when choosing options and materials for your new pool?
We're delighted with everything that we chose, and we do have the pool maintained by professionals every week.
How was the quality of work?
It's exceptional. Everyone who comes to this backyard has never seen anything like this, and always asks how we had this done and how we accomplished it. And we always talk very highly of Tom and his team.
How would you rate communication with Custom Pool Pros staff?
Tom was here every day, and or multiple times a day, and his responsiveness was, almost immediate. We were delighted with the working relationship, and then he guided us through what we would need to do, replacing the grass, putting in the trees. So he was here through the fall to help us do the proper plantings and making sure that we got the final look that we wanted, not only for the pool, but for the entire backyard, the landscaping of it.
Does the pool fit your family's needs?
Yes, it's great. And we just became grandparents, and they're enjoying the sun deck. My little grandson now can enjoy the sun deck without having to be in the deep part of the pool. So that's worked out even better than we had anticipated when we built it.
How do you feel coming home and having access to a pool at all times?
It's great. My kids always wanted a pool, and like I said, I was a beach person, or we belonged to the town's pool club. Um, but never having had this, it's like amazing just to be able to go out for a little while or spend the afternoon. It's a whole different experience than always having to pack up your car to go someplace. So.
How was your experience building a pool with Custom Pool Pros?
Oh, I had amazing experience with them. My husband, my family, and I would give them a 100 stars if I had the opportunity.
At Custom Pool Pros, our mission is to transform your backyard into a personal oasis through exceptional craftsmanship, transparent communication, and unwavering reliability. We pride ourselves on using only the highest quality materials paired with skilled artistry and an expedient work ethic to deliver stunning swimming pools that stand the test of time. From the first consultation to the final touch, we ensure a smooth, surprise-free process rooted in trust and clear communication. Let us bring your vision to life with a seamless experience that exceeds your expectations. Contact us today to begin a smooth journey to your dream backyard.